My name is Caitlin Hofer, and today I'm going to be going over the rock cycle. First, we will discuss igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when magma cools and solidifies. It can do this below or above the Earth's surface. There are two examples of igneous rocks on the slide. The first is granite. Granite is formed when the magma cools below the Earth's surface slowly. This type of rock is called an intrusive igneous rock. The second is obsidian. Obsidian is made when lava reaches the Earth's surface and cools quickly. This type of rock is called an extrusive igneous rock. Second, we will discuss metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed by pressure deep under the Earth's surface. This can be caused by extreme heat from magma or the collisions and friction of tectonic plates. The two metamorphic rock examples on this slide are quartzite and granite. Thirdly, we will discuss sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediment is deposited over time and consolidated into layers of rock. The sediment that forms these rocks can include minerals, sand, small pieces of plants, shells, and other organic matter. The two sedimentary rocks shown on this slide are sandstone and limestone. The sandstone shows the layers that can form in sedimentary rocks, and the limestone shows the fossils that can appear in sedimentary rocks. Next, I have an example of the rock cycle that shows the processes that rocks go through. When an igneous rock goes through weathering and erosion, it becomes sediments. When the sediments get compacted and cemented, they become a sedimentary rock. When an igneous rock is put under heat and pressure, it becomes a metamorphic rock. When an igneous rock melts, it becomes magma. When the magma cools, it becomes an igneous rock. When a metamorphic rock melts, it becomes magma. When a metamorphic rock undergoes weathering and erosion, it becomes sediments. When a sedimentary rock is put under heat and pressure, it becomes a metamorphic rock. And when a sedimentary rock goes through weathering and erosion, it becomes sediments. The rocks can go through these processes multiple times. Most can take up to hundreds of years to complete one process. These are my citations. And this presentation helps learning because it gives visuals, audio, and a diagram. The students will be able to see rocks of each type, a diagram that shows how the rock cycle works, and hear about each type of rock. The diagram is useful because it is color coordinated. This makes it easier for kids to differentiate the different processes that make a rock. I used Screencastify to make this video. Thanks.